definitely in my zone. Fire in my bones, so best believe it's on. Sweat and tears, I've invested in this game. So I lay it on the line because I come to do my thing. Do my thing. I'm on.
What is up? What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a good morning. I hope everybody's waking up to a great Friday morning. It is Friday, TGIF to everybody. I hope everybody's getting their Friday started off the right way. Um, it's cold where I'm at. It's freezing, so getting ready to settle in for a snowstorm this weekend. But it is what it is. We'll get through that too. So, and this morning we're going to talk a little bit about the cryptocurrency market, about the stock, about the regular market, see where the pre-market is, get into some crypto news, things like that. So, couple things going on today that we'll get into. A couple things we'll look at today, from a market standpoint, from an NFT drop from MetaMonkey AI. I mean MMAI. I'm sorry. We'll get into some of that. We will just run through our regular morning routine. So that's what we're going to do today. Is that Waddy? No, that's Worldwide Crypto. What's up, dog? Good morning, man. I'm just starting. You up early with me. So yeah, we're gonna get into some morning market stuff. We're gonna see what's going on in the markets this morning. Maybe get through some news. Get ready for this big MMAI drop that's coming. This big NFT drop, man. I think today I'm gonna, by the end of the day, I'll own some keys to the city. And I'll own a piece of property somewhere, or a car or something. I won't know until later, but I'm gonna own something today. I'm buying something today. That's what I do know. So you look at the pre-markets, guys, they don't look that bad, man. The Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P don't look bad. The Dow's in the red, but just slightly in the red. That's going to probably flip this morning. But Google's going to lay off 12,000 people. So as you can see, all these tech giants, every day we talk about another tech giant laying off, another 10, 13, 14,000 people. So, the economy itself is doing exactly what the Feds wanted to do. People are starting to lay people off. This is what the Fed wants. Get time. My key to the city today. I'm gonna get my key to the city today too. I don't know what everybody's thinking about, but I'm gonna get mine. They better get theirs. My property's gonna be attached to it at some point. But Google's laying off people. Everybody's laying off. This is what the Fed wants. So they're trying to set up for a soft landing. Will we get there? I don't know. But the economy is not looking too great right now. But we go ahead and get into this fear and greed index for cryptocurrency, guys. We're sitting at 51 today. So we're sitting at neutral. We're at neutral in the market right now. So that's a good thing for where we are right now in the economy, for the cryptocurrency market to be sitting at neutral. That's not bad. Like I said before, a couple weeks ago we were sitting in fear. So sitting in neutral in a market like this is good. That means the cryptocurrency market is holding steady. We're sitting at like a $976 billion market cap. We keep bouncing off of that trillion. We can't break that trillion. That seems to be where the resistance is at. So big tech laying off because they are they're starting to utilize AI. Yeah, I think they're starting to find ways to take employees jobs and move them to more of a data AI type of thing. So, I think you're right. I think that's kind of where it's headed. Um, but I'll tell you, um, it's it's not good, you know. So every day, more and more big tech is laying off more and more people. So my computer's dinging at me over here. My real job's gonna have to start here in a little while. But we're sitting at a 970 $76 billion market cap, guys. Um, Bitcoin, it's sitting right around that 20,800 20 to 21,000 mark. It keeps bouncing between them levels right there. Ethereum sitting at $1,550. Ethereum's actually holding up better than what I think people anticipated in a market like this. I think people anticipated that Ethereum would have a big downswing by now. I know I did. Um, so I'm pretty surprised at how Ethereum and Bitcoin's holding up in this market. So that's a good thing. I would rather be surprised that way than be surprised the other way. XRP's holding in there at like 39 cents. 41 cents is the line for XRP, guys. If we can break that 41 cent mark, we'll go up to that next support level. But we keep bouncing off that 41 cent level. We can't seem to break that level right there. So that's the big one. Polygon's pulled back within the last couple of days, sitting at around 94 cents. Around 94 cents. This thing was up to about $1 something, $1.04, I think. So it's pulled back a little bit since the run, but it seems to like that 94 to 95 cent range. It seems to be comfortable there. It seems to settle itself in right there. Solana, I'm still not touching Solana, guys. If you got in at 8 o'clock and at $8, you're making pretty good money right now at 21.14. I'm not touching this just because if you're on here enough, you know how I feel about this. FTX holding 13% of the supply, and DCG, and Genesis, their issues, and they're holding some Solana, and all this stuff. If all that stuff goes through and it's sold on the open market, Solana is going to tank. I kept telling people, break out for a fake out. Yeah, I think, I don't know. It's weird to me, worldwide crypto. Like, I don't understand. The market itself is hanging in there pretty well, but there's really no support for it, right? Like the rest of the economy is kind of tanking, but cryptocurrency just seems to be taking off these past couple weeks. It's got to be the bull. I'm calling it the bear trap, because at some point we're gonna have a pullback, and I tell people, take your profits, man. Take your profits, because market's not going to stay up. It's a pump fake right now. It's a pump fake and a drive-by. So that's my interpretation of the market. But I'm like 20% in, 80% cash right now. Stellar, sitting at 8 cents, guys. So, Cronos, though, sitting at 7 cents. I am absolutely surprised that Cronos is hanging in there at 7 cents. I bought it at 5. I'm hanging on to it for the long term. I'll wait for that to dip back down to 5, around 5 cents, add some more to the bag. I think there's a dip there. And I think the next time that the market really pulls back. Crow's going back down to 5, possibly 3. I keep saying 3 cents right now is the sweet spot for Crow. I think it will dip there. Quant, though, you guys know I'm a big quant guy. I love quant. I think quant is going to be amazing. I think it's going to land itself in the top 10 in the long run. It's sitting at $137 right now. That supply is low. That use case is high. ISOs 2022s are coming. They are going to drive a lot of this market. And quant is kind of the leader of all that. They are the people call them a blockchain, but they're really not a blockchain, guys. They're an application. And they're bringing interoperability to everybody. So bullish on Cardano. You're bullish on Cardano. I'm sleeping on Cardano worldwide. I just it's one of the blockchains I really never really got. I was in it, and it was a slow mover, so I kind of got out of it just because it wasn't moving. Kind of like Crow. It just kind of stood there and just stood still, right? But man, I was looking at Cardano when it was at 25 cents, and I was like, man, do I want to get in? And I didn't get in, but my thought is if it goes back down to that 25-cent range, I may get some for the long term. A lot of people are bullish on Cardano. I think Cardano has a lot of upside to it. It's just they move really slow. But at 25 cents, if it gets back down in that range, I may load up just for the long term because I think it'll be here for a while. I think it's going to stay around for a long time. And man, it's sitting at 33 cents right now. If you would have got in at 25, like I was thinking about getting in at 25 cents, you'd have been sitting on some nice healthy profits right now. I hope you DCA'd your way in down at 25 cents because it sat at 25 for a minute. Let's see what else do we have going on in just the overall market today. Oh, there's Quant. We talked a little bit about Quant. HBAR, 6 cents right now. We're talking about HBAR at like 3 cents. Remember, I got in at like 3 to 4 cents. HBAR is another one of them ISO coins. It's having a lot of good publicity out there in Davos right now. So we'll see where HBAR goes. HBAR's got a big upside to it. That's a long-term play. It's a long-term play. I bought super early. So you were in ADA super early. Yeah, I want to, if it goes back down to 25, I'll get in. That's right. Smash that sub button. Smash it. I need some more subs. So market actually looks pretty healthy this morning, guys. It really does. We'll get into these out. Let's look at these crypto bubbles on a day. We'll see how the overseas markets decided to treat crypto before we look at them on the hourly. I think they looks like they treated them well, and as long as the American markets wake up and don't fuck it up, we should have a pretty good day. FTT token is booming. It's up 29% right now. This is the FTX token. The SEC officially charged Sam Bankman-Fried with the SEC crimes that they were talking about. So they officially charged him yesterday. This is actually good news for FTX holders, people who have money in there. When the federal government kind of gets involved from a security standpoint, then progress is being made. But yeah, the official charges came out yesterday. So FTT took off. It's up 29%. if you're DJing and you got in this early, you're making some pretty good money. I think it was as low as like 89 cents if you got in when it first collapsed. But I didn't touch it. You know, I got to head to work, man. Have a good day. Have a great day, Worldwide Crypto. We're gonna have a live stream here pretty soon. So watch your Twitter inbox. We're gonna have a live stream. We're gonna talk about this cryptocurrency market. But FTT, it's taking off because of that. A lot of people are excited about the news. So I'm not touching it, but if you're in it, you're making some good money right now. I'm risk off right now. We talk about that. Like I'm kind of risk off right now. So my risk tolerance in the cryptocurrency market, because I think it's gonna dip, is not it's telling me not to make them degen plays. So but the market itself, it looks like it's going to do all right today. It looks like we're good today. Looks like everything's hanging in there today, guys. So not bad. The U.S. national debt, of course, we reached an all-time high again of 31.41 trillion. Of course, every time we raise the debt ceiling, we go further in debt, and we're gonna have to raise that debt ceiling again. So, of course, that debt goes up, and turn the printers back on pretty soon. Paid us $31.41 trillion. So, no surprise there. The debt just keeps on rising. We just keep on rising and rising and rising. The SEC, like we talked about before, the SEC officially charges Sam Bankman-Fried with defrauding FTX investors. They officially came out and charged them. So they now have the security exchange laws in effect for Sam Bankman-Fried now. We all knew that this was coming. It's not a shock, but they went ahead and did it and put that out there for him. So, that's basically the big news today, guys. But when the market itself, it looks like it's hanging in there pretty well today. It looks like we're gonna have a good day in the market. The pre-markets over here in the stock markets, they look pretty good. I know the Dow is sitting in red, but like I said, it's just barely in red. This could flip really quick. But Google guys are laying off another 12,000 employees. Cryptocurrency market, I mean, we're sitting at that 9 billion 76 market cap. So, we still haven't broke that trillion, but for a 970 70 something billion market cap, the market's really hanging in there pretty well. Bitcoin hasn't came out of that $20,800 to $21,000 pocket. Ethereum still is sitting in that that $1,500 pocket. Hasn't really dipped too far below that. So, the market itself is trading sideways. It's trading well. It's trading sideways. So it doesn't look like people are getting in and out of the market. It looks like people are buying into the market and staying in the market, and that's represented in this market cap here. We keep holding steady around this 9 billion 70, 9 billion 80 market cap. So the market cap seems to be staying pretty consistent, and that fear and greed index sitting at neutral is a big deal. So people are doing well. People are staying in the market. I'm gonna get off here in a minute, but I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what's coming. These keys to the city, guys. NFT drop today. Make sure that when you go to buy these keys to the city for MMAI, you come into the official website here, guys. MMAI's website. Go to Twitter page, click on that website. You're going to see a thing right here. It's going to say MMAI Pure Wallet keys to the city for sale. You can click on this button right here. It's going to take you into this website here, where where you can see an overview of the keys to the city, which we went over yesterday, made a video about yesterday. Check it out. It's going to explain to you exactly, what each particular property is. But more importantly, it's going to take you to this piece right here where it says first come, first serve. Right here, buy on OpenSea. So when you click that, it's going to take you to the OpenSea. It's going to take you directly to the OpenSea website. It says no items found for this search because they're not going to be loaded up until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. So that's why there's no items found right now. But make sure that you are going to the official MMAI website to follow that process, because what I don't want to happen, we all know how this cryptocurrency market is. What I don't want to happen is for you guys to be buying fake NFTs that are not associated with MMAI, because they will be out there. So make sure that you're going through the proper channels. Go to the Twitter page, click on the website link, get to the website. When you get to the website, you're going to be greeted by this particular box right here. You're going to click on that box. It's going to take you right here. It's going to take you to this website right here, and then you're going to hit buy on OpenSea, and that's going to link you right directly to the correct OpenSea page. And then you just follow the instructions on OpenSea to go ahead and purchase your key to the city, and that's going to be 0.45 ETH, and that's going to give you a key to the city plus another NFT for a future date that you can mint for a property or car. So make sure that you're following that process. Make sure you're doing that so that you know that you're getting the correct NFTs from the correct site, and you're not buying any fake ones. So make sure you get that process down. Make sure you have it loaded up. I'm going to do mine from the phone, right from inside the wallet. So I'm going to use the web browser inside the wallet, the DApp browser. I'm going to try to do it that way, so that I know I'm hitting the correct site, and everything's secure for me. So make sure you're going through the proper channels, guys. Don't get taken out here. So with that, wrap it up for the morning. I'm out. Market looks good. Everything looks good today, guys. Market looks strong today. Looks like we're going to have another good day in the market. Make sure that you take your profits. Make sure that you, on the way up, make sure that you're taking a little bit off the top. Make sure you're making money, not losing money. And remember, every time you're in the green, if you're in the green and you're selling in the green, it's a good day. Don't sell in the red. Make sure you're in the money. Make sure you're taking your profits. Make sure you're taking care of your own pockets. Don't let anybody tell you that you shouldn't be taking profits. You should be taking profits. That's the name of the game. Remember, in a project, in any project, if you sell a project, you can always buy back in. So you're never really out of the game. That's the beauty of trading. So take your profits on the way up, and hit that MMAI NFT launch today, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you're going to the website. Make sure you're hitting on the correct links. Hit that Twitter up, hit that Telegram up if you're unsure, and check out Dr. Crypto. Will have a stream today on Twitter for anybody who needs any help. Awesome Austin will be live streaming today at launch time at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can go there, type some questions in the box. But if you want to talk to somebody, head on over to Twitter space. Go check out Dr. Crypto. I'll probably try to drop by both places, say hi, say what's up. We can kick it. Today's going to be a good day, guys. It's launch day, and the markets look good. So today's going to be a good day. And everybody have a great Friday. Enjoy your Friday. Make some money. Take your profits. And with that, guys, like, subscribe, and share this out. I'm out. Have a great day.